The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates beating Amazulu, and Orlando Pirates are top of the league in the Betway Premiership by 3 clear points. It means we have a title race. It's all teams played. There are 15 matches at the top of the table, and Orlando Pirates leading. They beat Amazulu at the Kingdom of KwaZulu, where we saw former President Jacob Zuma watching the game, amongst other dignitaries. So, Vilakazi, former Orlando Pirates captain, you're telling me that there's something about Google and in. What's happening with Google?
Mr. Kunjani mfethu? Ngibulise wena ngibulise Stizi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise chairman my chairman.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uBobo Khadoso. Nomhlekazi omhle. Ongasubhubha ngecawe. Ngibulise nana emakhaya ngicela support njalo la iDisk TV nzo benje kunjalo ngijike futhi. Mr. Kewu, bayikhona bayibiza lento lena bathi Google. Angiyazi mina. But uma uthi phone into Google bese uzothi Betway Premiership izaveza ukuthi banohlele phezulu Mr. Kewu. Yazi emangiza la emsebenzini Mr. Kewu bathi abantu kimi hey iSundowns iphethe ama points iPirates iphethe ama game in hand. Ngithi mina ngabo isukele inyoka emgodini wayo anazi sithuleleni siyekeni nje sokusilapha ya but I know iSundowns siyayazi ngama points Pirates siyazi ngama game in hand so asazi ama game in hand ana point noma ama game in hand ngoba vele ifanele badlalile ngathi mina unwabo elaqeda abantu benkosi yeah they ask themselves ukuthi why people are falling kanti no iza nje kancane nje yacathuza nje iza nje kancane
Ngonyawo lonwabu.
yeah well done to izemnyama ngenkanza ke bhola umuzi ngamasipala zawenzo wawo phakathi eThekwini yeah la bantu kugcwele khona wonke umuntu that you can think of Mr. Nkewu you can name our former president Kezi yayihlekisa yeah inkosi Malanga
After bugs.
yeah beka tina we call everyone because we are big. No, come and watch the game. All of you guys are welcome. Our charter, they are there. About Ngobo, Lapana. No, a lot of people are there because they need to watch a big team.
Mixed lifestyle.
Umfulongashi. Ngisho noma ulwandle ukawezwa abantu ulwandle livaliwe ulwandle Mr. Kewu noma ngathi ufaka usanto ngakanani uthi inhlabathi letha manje ulwandle leni uMexico loyo umfulongashi well done to Orlando Pirates, well done to Coach Wadu and the boys, and they did very well. First half, they played very well. Even second half was okay until Ulonduzana Umbata Apuma because of I think the coach made a mistake and goes back to the game of Makesi after Umbata went out and then the game started to favor Amakesi, where Amakesi now they will come to the party, try to create some chances, get some crosses. They make life to be difficult. Same applies to tonight, Upuma Wambata, and then it makes now Coach Arthur to say, no man, let's go. I mean, we've got nothing to lose. One goal down, so why should we sit at the back? Let's go. And now came in Unamdejela, came in Usbelebele. It's tough, Mr. Kewu. It's tough because Umbata put the game here. And now when Namdejala comes in, he needs to take from here to another step high. So I think from there, he's just swallowed by the game. Same applies to Usibelebele on that side. And it makes life to be difficult. I mean, look at China had to make some saves. Now Amazulu, they've got corner kicks. I'm very impressed with Umteto at the back.
Sunday Umteto.
Oh, Mr. Nkewu,
former Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, no,
former junior international.
Yeah, coach knows the boy very, very well. Mr. Nkewu, he played very well. I think they complement each other very well. Him and
Tariq Phillips
at the back, especially second half. They were more clinical in terms of how they should pick. Who should pick Umbutuma, who should cover, and they did very well. Because even though Umbutuma will make those runs, but when he make those runs, if he goes to the right, Mteto is there. If he goes to the left, Phyllis is there. They covering each other, and they make life to be difficult for Umbutuma. But nevertheless, Mr. Nkewu, I think the Pirates lost the game. after Umbata went out because now Amazulu they came to the party because we couldn't see now King Ama 2000 because King Ama 2000 was always getting the balls from Umbata. So now since Umbata went out, it was so difficult to see whether he's still in the game. Should the coach sub him or whatever the case may be because the game didn't do justice, especially after Umbata went out. You can check Umuremi was out. Apolise then and there, and then King Ama 2000 out now
Completely in the second
altogether
half.
in the second half. So I think Coach Wadi he needs to look at that to say why didn't take out Apolise out and then put Unemtejela in that number 10 and then Ulontuzana on the left, King Ama 2000.
Yeah.
And so I think for Coach Wadu, he just need to learn from that. And
Yeah, otherwise it's a win for Orlando Pirates, of course.
Mamela-
What we're doing here is trying to reflect Uguti. There was a point in the second half where Pirates dropped their level. Let's focus on Amazulu now.
Yeah.
There was a message that they sent to us. Everyone was watching.
Yeah.
That message said, we don't want to win. At
Yes.
the beginning, they were saying to everyone, including to Orlando Pirates, we don't want to win because we are going to defend you. As the game went on, after they went 1-0 down, they changed that. But at Kaleni, they didn't show intent to win.
Definitely, Mr. Nkewo, they were sitting and said, you know what, we're going to sit. Everyone, you know, when you see a team playing that low block in front of their big box, then it tells you something. You've got your wingers back, you've got your striker here back. Both wingers, they were here. Attacking midfielder that he always does make things happen for Amazulu extend was also where coming deep. Now the game also squeeze Ulontuzana Uzungu, a player that also gives them that stability in that midfield in terms of creating and scoring. But it makes life to be difficult. Until now, he got
Orlando Pirates scores the
scored a
opening
goal,
goal, and then
then-
Amazulu kind of changed. the
yeah, now they were like, no, let's go. Especially second half, Mr. Keu. I think when they came in second half, that's when I saw Ugutino. Now they're trying to push, and force things that side. And I think it was not, it didn't work for them because, when you've got the king, you salute the king. The king scored a beautiful goal first half, and now in the last minute, he just finished up Amazulu. Like I said in the half time, that the score is going to be 2-0. King Ama 2000, he make sure that Rutman, I did hear you that you said 2-0. So I'm going to add another goal, and he made it 2. So well done to Pirates. They did very well.
Yeah, top of the league now. Top of the league.
Mr. Keo-
Yaqala title received.
Mr. K, we allow people to, you go before you move in the house. You get people to go and clean, so that when you go in the house, it's clean. You just go there, you put your things to watch TV. So that's what the Pirates were doing. We allow our Sundowns to go and sit there, clean, and make sure that when we come in, the house is clean. So now we are back where we belong. Happy people. Yeah, that's who we are.
Yeah. The scoreline kind of flatters Pirates.
Yeah.
They should have won by 3-0 in the first half.
Definitely.
100% in the first
Yeah,
half.
yeah.
Then the game kind of dies in the second half. A
Yes.
long time, for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
It dies
Yeah.
in the second half.
Yeah.
Again, I think we go back to the weekend against Emakese.
Yeah.
As Coach Wadu, are you upset a little bit? How do you approach this to the players? We have to play until the final whistle.
Mr. Geo, you read the game as a coach. The game, I always say this, the game asks you questions, then must come with answers. And for me, this game, the only question that came for Uwad was, can you take Apolise out, put Unemtejela in that attacking zone, take Mfukeng and put him on the left, and then you'll wait until you see whether Ulontuzana is going to still be in the game or Umuremi. That's what's going to make changes.
So in other words, the
But-
coach must take the blame for the drop.
Yes, definitely. I would say that because it happened against Makese. You need to look, Mr. Keo, that when you take this player out in the previous game, what happened in the game? It gives you a question and an answer to say. That means I don't have to take this player out. This player, there's a role that he's playing in the team. He makes everyone to click. He was the one Umbata was getting most of the time the balls from the defense and play Abu Mremi, Abu Apolise. That's why they were so, having an energy in that final third, creating chances in that final third, is because of the balance and the weight was carried by Umbata in the midfield. And it makes their life to be easy to say, don't worry about chasing. Because if you can check, after Umbata came out, now we saw Mfukeng will chase back. Apolise will come and receive the ball right in front of our big box. That's dangerous.
All right.
So I think the coach, he needs to go again, watch the videos of the game of Makesi and this game of Amazulu to see the mistake that it did in terms of taking Umbata out.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Mr. So-and-so, former Orlando Pirates captain, two-time league winner with Orlando Pirates, one of the most privileged position to be a league winner. Junior is a league winner with Chiefs. Tso Vilakazi is a league winner with Orlando Pirates. It's something that those of us who stand next to them will never ever achieve in our lives. And maybe those of us who watch as well will never achieve in our lives. A league winner. Clean. Twice.
Yeah.
2001, 2003.
Yeah, and the Nala in Yahweh.
Mr. So-and-so.
I'm still holding.
Yes.
As a midfielder, I think
The league season, you scored 20 goals.
Mr. Nkeo, thanks to my teammates because I need
20
to
goals
get,
from midfield.
As you can ask Chimita will tell you that
20 goals from midfield.
It was not a mistake.
The
Mr.
shortest
Nkeo.
player in the history of
Yeah,
the PSL.
yeah. Ask Kevin Hunt will tell you to say, I nearly had a fight with him after he scored a goal. I
20
asked
goals
myself.
in the season.
No, Mr. Nkeo, the man above, he blessed me and.
Two league titles. Mr. So-and-so. It is TV Times. World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.